welcome back. Just a quick unboxing from my favorite German orchid nursery, MSB Orchideen. Although they don't have the mass-produced Asian hybrids, they offer a nice selection of quality orchids. Many are young plants grown on from seedlings or divisions grown in Europe. Next to high-quality orchids, the service given is amazing. Let's get the plants out of the box and even more quickly unpack them, so we can take a closer look at the goodies I got. Two nice Cattleya Dowiana arrived in perfect health. These are young plants grown on from seedlings. Look at the roots on them, I'm quite impressed. These two are replacements as I lost mine a while ago. I'm still debating how to grow them on. If you have any suggestions on mounting or potting them, please let me know in the comment section below. They will, however, go into the grow tent to grow on. These are Cattleya Juno. I love the colors of the flowers of this primary cross. Again, two nicely grown young plants to grow on. These are bifoliate Cattleyas, and in the past I haven't been that good with them, so fingers crossed. Cattleya Pittiae, a cross between Cattleya loddigesii and Cattleya schilleriana, crossed back to Cattleya schilleriana, a Brazilian species. This one seems to like a lot of light. I'm sure they will do well growing on in the grow tent. If I don't mess them up, they will do well under these growing conditions, as they seem really well established in their pots. Cattleya Quinquecolor, a primary hybrid of Cattleya aclandiae crossed with Cattleya forbesii. To get a plant in bloom was a real surprise, as it was listed as a very small, young plant. It must be its first blooming, and I'm well impressed with it. I love the compact growth, and again, it's a nicely grown plant and well established with good roots in its pot. The next day the flower completely opened and I love the colors on it. Moving on to Asia, this is Cleisostoma birmanica, a vivacious orchid with vibrant but small flowers. These are only 2 cm across, but there are lots of them on a branching flower spike. These seem to do best mounted. From Asia we go to Madagascar and the Comoro Islands for some more young goodies. This Angraecum elephantinum is a compact grower that likes to be mounted. It has quite large greenish-white flowers. These are night fragrant. Again, a nice root system on this one. Now this is a very rare one, Ambrella longituba, a real miniature. It's the first time I saw it offered anywhere, so I ordered 2 of them. The roots don't seem to like its mount, so this will have to be changed. There's not much info to be found on this one. All I could find is that it likes warm and humid growing conditions. Again, something different for the collection. Here, 3 young plants of Aeranthes henricii, and it seems a 4th one hitched a ride. Again, a humid grower with alien-like greenish-white up to 10 cm wide flowers. These are nicely grown on seedlings, ready to be mounted. And lastly, Aerangis modesta. These grow large spikes with pristine white flowers. Another one to be mounted. Look at the nice aerial roots they are forming already. I really can't wait to get busy with all of these. All in all, a nice haul I think, and such quality plants. Next week, more goodies will come, so get ready for another quick unboxing. Thanks for watching and until next time.